If you love a last word cocktail, you definitely have to try this twist on this classic. It is called the Final Word cocktail. I'm going to do it now for you on Let's Talk Drinks. Okay, so as most of you guys know, I am a massive fan of the Last Word cocktail. It's a very strong, boozy Chartreuse cocktail. And today I'm going to make a twist or a variation on this classic. It was by Phil Ward at Mayo Well in New York City, and it is really, really tasty. And the first ingredient that it calls for is 20 mils of a rye whiskey. I'm going to use the Jack Daniel's rye. I really enjoy this. I'm just a massive Jack Daniel's fan. I really love those banana notes in it as well. And it's 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce. Next up, same 20 mils once again, 4 simple ingredients, equal or 2/3 of an ounce of Marashino Liqueur. 20 mils, once again, 2/3 of an ounce of green Chartreuse. Went over a little bit there. I love Chartreuse, so that's good. And then what he did also, obviously he swapped out the Jack Daniel's instead of gin, and instead of lime juice, he's gone 20 mils of lemon juice. And it's as simple as that. Woo! Here we go. I'm going to fine strain that into a chilled glass. I'm using a Nick and Nora glass for this one. And for a garnish, a maraschino cherry. That is the Final Word cocktail. I'm going to give it a try. Ooh, that Chartreuse is definitely coming through. Beautiful. I can definitely taste the Jack Daniel's in there. The rye whiskey, a little bit of sort of spice I get from that. A little banana-y note. The maraschino. The herbal notes from the Chartreuse are definitely bang on. That's probably what makes the drink for me, the Chartreuse in it. The lemon juice is blending in really well. Another cracker. Just change a few different ingredients in a classic. You have a new variation. I love doing that with cocktails. And Phil, well done. Great. Guys, please like, subscribe. What a short video. Super easy. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.